you remember.
Hello friends, welcome to 7 minute study. In this video I am going to discuss about how to design a agent system or the implementation steps of designing an agent system. So let's start with it. When we are specifying the agents of particular environments or different type of environments have different types of agents, we need to specify certain measures based on which we are going to design a system. So there are the four kinds of methods or four kinds of measures based on which we are going to design a particular agent to a particular environment. Alright, so the four factors are the performance measure, environment, actuators or sensors. These are going to be known as the P's measures based on which an agent is going to be prepared or designed for a particular type of environment based on the problem or to which the solution has to be provided. Alright, the steps in detail designing an agent are these 6 steps. These are the most important steps which are to be followed in the designing of an agent. Okay, so the first one is designing a task environment or defining a task environment or defining the problem area in complete manner. Example, the vacuum world or the world outside the agent has to be completely defined by the user in order to in order for a agent to provide the accurate solutions to a problem. All right, next, define or tabulate PEAS or performance measure agent environment actuators and sensors. We are going to we are going to define a table which is going to have these certain columns for each particular performance measure. We are going to have certain environment state actuators which are going to like produce the output, and sensors which are going to produce which are going to generate or take the input from the environment. Alright, next is going to be defining the agent's function or the basic logic behind the action, the basic logic behind generation of action based on certain percepts and conditions. It's going to be the agent function. So the inputs would be the condition and percept, and it returns what? Action on the environment. Alright, this is the agent's function. And then the agent program, it is the what do you say, the definition. Alright, the this is the mathematical definition of a logic, and this is an language definition or implementation definition. Alright, in terms of system or any other machine. For any machine we are going to give a set of instructions to define or to implement an agent's function. It is going to be the agent program. And then we have design architecture to implement agent program. We are going to design a structure of the system which is going to be like the physical structure of the system which is compatible to with the agent program in order to generate the accurate results or outputs. Alright, next and the last one is going to be the implementation of agent program. Implementation of agent program is going to be done on the architecture which has been designed to correctly take the inputs from the environment and produce the outputs onto the environment or over the environment based on the certain conditions and requirements of the user. Alright, so the important steps are going to be, the flow is going to be like this. First we design or define the task environment or the external structure, and then we are going to define the PEAS factors or components, and then we are going to define an agent's function, and then we are going to define an agent's program or design an agent's program based on the agent function. And the agent program is going to be like having certain particular conditions to be satisfied, which is met by the architecture of the agent program or the agent architecture of the agent system, which is implementing the architecture which is implementing the agent program over the architecture or structure of the agent. Thanks for watching the video. Please share and subscribe to stay updated. And if you have any doubts, you can please mail to the 7minstudy at gmail.com. Thank you.